Hello everyone, my name is Tonia. In today's video I'll be making Italian Almond Biscotti. This biscuit is dry and oval in shape, and that is why you have to dunk it into your tea or coffee or enjoy with your favorite drink. The ingredients you need are 1 cup unblanched almonds, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons melted butter. Spread the almonds in a baking tray and bake until lightly browned, about 15 minutes. When cool, grind 1/3 of the almonds in a food processor or blender and coarsely chop the remaining almonds into 2 or 3 pieces each. Combine the sieved flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and almonds into a mixing bowl and mix. Crack your eggs and add into the melted butter and whisk together. Make a well into the dry ingredients and pour your melted butter and eggs into the dry ingredients and mix with a fork or a spatula. Added a little flour because I noticed the mixture was still very moist or wet. If you're enjoying my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting videos. Sprinkle some plain flour onto your clean surface. Put your dough and knead, just slightly knead. You don't have to be very tough with it. Then divide your mixture into 2 or 3, but I did 2. Then roll it into a log. When you're done rolling the dough into a log, place into a greased baking tray lined with parchment paper or baking paper. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and place the dough at the center of the oven for 20 minutes. With a serrated knife, cut the logs diagonally, put the biscotti on a baking sheet and return to the oven for 10 minutes to dry even more. When the biscotti is ready, you can package it inside your freezer bags and keep in the fridge or freezer until when you need it. After 10 minutes, turn the biscotti with a palette knife and return back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I enjoyed making this video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting videos.